Okay, I'm finally back with this will be a lawn update. Right now we're in the front lawn area, and let me tell you, it's looking really good. Really thick, lush. I've fertilized once with the winterizer, and I've fertilized twice with Milorganite. I put some down last week, and before that I put it down, I'm gonna say almost a month and a half or so ago. But this grass is looking really nice to me. It's really made a difference. It's really turned the corner. Pretty much got rid of all the weeds, and I'm just really concentrating on getting some growth going and filling in some bare spots, which still need some work, kind of like in this area. Sorry for the lighting, but yeah, I don't know how good it looks on camera, but it's a nice green color. We're back here in the backyard, and this backyard still needs a lot of work. There are a lot of thin areas. I've fertilized this area once, and I think I put some Milorganite on only once. There's a shot of a Martha Washington geranium I picked up. I really like the colors. It really pops in the sun. These are my blueberry plants, and you can see blossoms there. It's coming along slowly. So there's two plants in there mixed together to kind of help each other out and produce well. Got one of my tomato plants, and there are tomatoes. There's a few of them right there. I mean, it's doing okay. It's not doing great. Kind of neglected it, but I think it's gonna be okay. And this is my flame seedless grape plant. It's pretty windy today, so it's getting blown around a little bit. It's doing pretty well. I think it's gotten a little taller, and there are more vine leaves showing up. It's a pretty plant. Hopefully it's gonna get better when the weather kicks up some more. Weather has just been not that awesome, like in the 60s, cloudy. When it gets warmer, 70s, 80s, hoping it'll start to take off. And I got a few herbs, some oregano. This guy's really taking off. I got my strawberries coming in. See a few of those there. Right there. Got a petunia plant on the table here. It's pretty color. This plant, I forget the name of it. I'll have to look it up. It's pretty. And another herb, I got German thyme. And that's about all the time we have for this episode. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll get back to you sooner than I did the last time. Take care.